Get ready for the dictation in 3, 2, 1, start. She raised a hue and cry, stop. People gathered, stop. She went to a PCO booth and informed that police control room, stop. An ambulance came and took her husband to hospital where he died, stop. On being cross examined as to why she did not take her husband to the hospital, she stated that she persuaded some TSR drivers to take her husband to the hospital, but they refused, and that an ambulance came and removed her husband to the hospital, informing that they would be taking him to Jahangirpuri. Stop. She went to the hospital at Jahangirpuri but could not find her husband. Stop. She later on learnt that her husband was taken to hospital. Stop. She went to said hospital but was not allowed entry in the emergency ward, and that she returned after about half an hour. Stop. We note that the cross examination brings out four variations. Stop. They may be called improvements. Stop. This first is that it is not recorded in her statement that Tony told her that the appellant had assaulted her husband in the park. Stop. It is recorded that her husband told her that the appellant had assaulted him in the park. Stop. The second is that in her statement it has not been recorded that she went to the park and returned with her husband. Stop. The third is the different manner in which records how her husband was assaulted. Stop. The difference is that while deposing in court, she stated that appellant inflicted a knife blow on the abdomen of her husband, and before she could come to the rescue of her husband, the appellant inflicted the second blow. Stop. In the statement, it is recorded that the appellant took out a knife from behind and started attacking her husband with intention of killing him. Stop. Lastly, in her statement, she has not stated that her husband caught the appellant and took him out so that he may not assault her on Tony. Stop. Para. Tony deposited that on 29/8/2001 he was a student of class 6 and was sitting on the bed in the house with his mother when appellant came. Stop. Thereafter he saw the appellant beat his father in the park. Stop. The vest of his father was torn and his father came back and took dinner. Stop. Appellant returned and asked his father to accompany him to the park. Stop. Appellant asked him to bring water, and after drinking water threw the glass towards the bed. Stop. His father asked him to go inside. Stop. His father cried. Stop. Appellant stabbed his father in the veranda. Stop. His father took the appellant outside. Stop. His mother threw a danda at the appellant. Stop. Appellant ran away. Stop. His mother informed the police. Stop. His father was removed to the hospital by the police where he died. Stop. It may be noted that the improvements made by Tony vis-a-vis his statement recorded by the police are that in the said statement it is not recorded that he saw his father being beaten in the park by the appellant. Stop. It is also not recorded that his father had taken dinner or that his father asked him to go inside. Stop. With reference to the deposition of Tony, it is apparent that he has mumbled, jumbled the facts pertaining to his father being beaten in the park and what happened in the house at 9:30 p.m. Stop. As noted from his statement, he commences his deposition by stating that he was present in the house at 9:30 p.m. with his parents and that the appellant came. Stop. He follows it up by saying that he saw his father being beaten in the park and his father came back home. Stop. Thank you.